IKEA, the leading Swedish furnishing company with a simple name but a lot of meaning. Known throughout the world as the first and best partnership for all types of household needs, is now venturing into the creator market with their unexpected collaboration with Lego to release multiple distinctive and interesting Lego sets that caught the attention of the Lego community. And today, we'll be examining one of the many Lego sets that IKEA published in the year 2020. You'll notice that every Lego kit that IKEA has produced is categorized by the same term, BYGGLEK, which is roughly translated to building fun in Swedish. This is a plain yet clever way for kids to organize their sets. Now, let's open this set. The set comes in this appealing veiled packaging that enables it to be preserved and picked up in stores. Included in this set are all the necessary cords to assemble the storage box, sort of like assembling a brand new IKEA furniture. The thing that I quite like about this set is the open vacant space that can be used to store minifigures, loose parts, or just storing random Lego bricks in.